What are you doing, Mr Volcano?
You dare bring light to my lair? You must die!
Eh?
You bring the crowns and heads of conquered kings to my city steps. You insult my queen. You threaten my people with slavery and death. Oh, I've chosen my words carefully, Persian. Perhaps you should have done the same. This is Sparta!
Rain filters down through my handsome volcano and hydrates you till you shout, "Come on, world, I'll have you for breakfast!" Drive, Volvic revive!
Mama Luigi?
No!
Yeah.
No!
Yeah.
No!
Yeah.
Shut the fuck up!
That's no good.
Harmony, the birds are singing. Isn't it beautiful? Golly, as it is written, you, Link, are the hero of Cory Eye. I guess that's worth a kiss, huh?
You did not. I just saved you from
Prostate cancer.